Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the development of digital currencies is speeding up. But first, the Kaikoura Wellington quake that struck last week could cost the insurance industry as much as $5.3 billion. It's according to the catastrophic modeler AIR Worldwide. Losses to land, which are covered by the EQC and are not by insurance companies, is not included in this assessment. Prime Minister John Key said yesterday that at the APEC summit in Peru that China will fill the void left by the United States if it backs away from the TPPA under Donald Trump. In Europe, Volkswagen has announced plans to cut 30,000 jobs worldwide, with about 23,000 of those losses in Germany. Volkswagen is still dealing with its emissions cheating scandal and is losing market share, especially in Europe. It says it is shifting to develop new electric and self-driving cars. Singapore is showing that digital currencies are coming, and coming fast. The Monetary Authority of Singapore said it would trial its own digital currency for interbank payments using blockchain technology. Separately, PwC is launching a platform for banks and central banks to develop blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions. One advantage will be the ability to avoid traditional and costly payment systems like the SWIFT network or the global credit card companies like Visa and MasterCard. It will also allow money to be programmed with rules. For example, payments can be automatically made when a certain third-party event occurs and is verified. In Australia, banks are saying their profit margins are under threat, and it is savers who are being targeted to make up the shortfalls. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield has now risen to 2.35%. US benchmark oil price will start the week marginally higher, now just over $46 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just over $47 a barrel. There's been a big jump in the rig count in the US and Canada, offset somewhat by a fall elsewhere. The gold price is sharply lower today, down by $16 an ounce to $1,209 an ounce, and a new 9-month low. New Zealand dollar will start today just a little lower on a stronger greenback at 70.1 US cents. On the cross rates, it's still at 95.5 Aussie cents, and against the euro, still at 66.2 euro cents. The TWI is still at 76. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.